Did you know that as United Academics bargaining unit member, you have Weingarten rights that guarantee you the right to union representation at any meeting that you reasonably think could lead to discipline? If you are called into such a meeting with your supervisor, you should invoke your Weingarten rights. It just might save your job. Say something like, if this discussion could in any way lead to my being disciplined or terminated, I request that my union rep be present for the meeting. Without my union rep present, I choose not to respond to any questions or statements. Then, call or email your organizational vice president or our contract manager. Find their contact information at unitedacademics.org/about-us/contact-us. If you invoke your Weingarten rights, your supervisor is required to schedule the meeting at a time when your union rep can attend. Your Weingarten rights just might save your job. They protect union members like you from arbitrary and unjust discipline. They are one of the many benefits you receive by being in a union, made possible by United Academics dues-paying members.